Hello, welcome, my name's Crow, welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a sound demo video. It's for this beautiful little drum just here, and this is to accompany the listing on our Etsy shop. So this is a buffalo skin drum. It's on a 14-inch ashwood frame. If I turn it over here, you can see we have a branch handle. This is a horse chestnut handle, and it's laced with artificial sinew here. On the inside of the frame, I put ash and buffalo. I've put in my maker's mark, Driftwood Hollow Drums, and I've also put birthed on the 13th of February 2023 in Knighton, Paris, UK, and that's to allow you to look up the astrological aspects for the drum. I'm going to play with a firm, soft beater. I'm going to swap over and play with a firmer beater halfway through. Here we go. Okay, and then the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, well, I hope the video's helped you to make a more informed decision when you're coming to choose your drum online. It's very difficult. I'm Crow, it's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.